जहाँ पाँव में पायल हाथ में कंगन हो माथे पे बिंदिया, it happens only in India. It happens only in India. जहाँ पाँव में पायल हाथ में कंगन हो माथे पे बिंदिया,
It happens only in India. It happens only in India.
जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए, जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए, मुंह से तो कुछ ना बोले चुपके चुपके नीर बहाए। जहाँ जंग पे जाए सिपाही तो खुद सजनी तिलक लगाए, मुंह से तो कुछ ना बोले चुपके चुपके नीर बहाए, और अश्कों से अपने लिख कर भेजे प्यार की चिट्ठियां।
It happens only in India. It happens only in India.
जहाँ दिन निकले सुनकर श्लोक गुरबाणी और अजान, जहाँ दिन निकले सुनकर श्लोक गुरबाणी और अजान, जहाँ मजहब से ऊंचा है इंसान सारे एक समान। अरे आज नहीं है साच को चाहे देख ले सारी दुनिया।
It happens only in India. It happens only in India. Madarisa.
शबरी के खाके बेर राम ने प्रेम की प्रथा चलाई, शबरी के खाके बेर राम ने प्रेम की प्रथा चलाई, मीरा ने पीकर जहर का प्याला प्रीत की रीत निभाई। जहाँ प्रेम की धुन पे गोपियों संग नाचे कृष्ण कन्हैया, कहीं होता है भैया।
It happens only in India. It happens only in India.
सावन के झूले कहीं पे बैसाखी के मेले, अरे सावन के झूले कहीं पे बैसाखी के मेले, लगता है खुद कुदरत इस धरती पे आकर खेले। जहाँ माँ से लोरी सुने बिना बच्चों को ना आए निंदिया।
It happens only in India. It happens only in India.
Good evening. Please take your seats. We are going to start our program. नमस्कार सभी उपस्थित देवी और सज्जनों को मेरा नमस्कार। आप सभी को गणतंत्र दिवस की अनेकों अनेक शुभकामनाएं। Good evening and welcome to Federation of Indian Association Annual Republic Day celebration. Being the largest Indian American not-for-profit umbrella organization dedicated to serving the community with excellence since 1980. This year, we join in celebrating 66 years of our wonderful motherland, India. This evening, believe me, going to be filled with fun, lot of programs and updates from FIA. Please have a seat so you can enjoy more. We are going to start with American National Anthem. Please stand up.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets with glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that a flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Mr. Syed, he is from Indian Navy. Petty officer, Mr. Syed has come from India. He will salute Indian flag.
बीस फलक के फासले पे गौरव में मन से गुजरेगी यार सलामी देगा सलामी जब
हमारे यहाँ की ट्रेडिशन रही है कि हम लोग हर प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत दीप जला के करते हैं. It's our tradition that whenever we start our program or we do anything good, we lamp this light. So we want to invite many dignitaries to light this lamp. Can I call upon Congressman Bill Foster, please come on the stage. President Kirti Kumar Ravuri, Dr. Indrajit Patel, C.B. Brahmabhat, Minhaj Akhtar, Raja Krishnamurthy, Ajit Singh, Ajay Agnihotri, Babu Patel, Sohan Joshi, Sitaram Bhai Patel. If I am missing anyone, please excuse me. Mr. Syed Hussain, please come on stage.
जैसा कोई नहीं है। 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहे तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम,
Has a very cute smile on his face. And when he's very energetic, whenever we need him, he's always there. For everything, for all the community causes, he's always here. Now he's banquet chairman. This year, he's none other than Dr. Ram Gazela.
Thank you, Ji. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my honor and pleasure to introduce 11th District Congressman, Congressman Bill Foster. He's a scientist, he's a businessman, he's a community helper. Congressman, please.
Thank you, Ram, and everyone from the FIA Chicago. I really, I'm honored to be here tonight. This is obviously a historic time because of the president's visit, but I think the thing that we will never forget is the things that the shared values of India and the United States. Those are democracy and diversity. The two things that I think Americans hold most dear, that everyone is given a chance to succeed in America no matter what your background, and that we solve our problems with democracy and not with war. And that is, both of those were the founding principles that you are celebrating on Republic Day. And the other two very important principles are education and economic growth. A lot of what the president will be discussing are ways to accelerate the economic growth of both the United States and of India through increased economic development. And the single most important thing that we can do for all of our countries is to do everything we can to accelerate education. I'm very struck by the fact that if you look at everyone who has studied at MIT, in the sense of taken courses at MIT or taken the courses online, that more than 10 times more people have taken the online courses of MIT from India than have taken the courses from MIT themselves. And as a scientist, I understand what that means for the future of your country and the future of ours. As was mentioned, I'm a businessman. I think if I identified them properly, I think the lights that are shining in my face here are built by a company that I started when I was 19 years old. My younger brother and I started the company in our basement, and now it makes about 70% of the theater lighting equipment in the United States. But it's the sort of thing that you can do in this country. And it's what brings many, many Indians to America to take advantage of that opportunity. And as they renew their connections back home, then they want to bring those opportunities back to India. And that's another wonderful thing that you do. But I also want to close, I guess, with just diversity is so important. That is the struggle in our that we're seeing across the world. Many groups are simply not tolerant of people different than them, and that hurts again and again. My father was actually a civil rights lawyer who wrote a lot of the enforcement language behind the Civil Rights Act of 1964, which was one of the biggest steps forward for human rights in our country's history. And so that's a big part of what's inside of me. But that comes from an explicit explicit tolerance of people who are different. And that is something that we have to, every country has its challenges with that, and every country has to make things better for the next generation and more tolerant for the next generation. Anyway, I want to thank you and all of the organizations in the FIA for participating, letting me come and speak with you tonight, and for your commitment to the very same ideals that make America a great place to live in. Thank you all.
I would like to invite our FIA President, Mr. Kirti Kumar Revori. Professionally, he is President of Chicago Coring Inc. He is recipient of many awards from Congressmen and Mayor Daley. He will honor Bill Foster, Congressman Bill Foster, with shawl. Can I call Mr. and Mrs. Nakul Chand on the stage, please? Mr. and Mrs. Nakul Chand from Air India. Mrs. and Mr. Nakul Chand will honor Congressman with bouquet of flowers.
Thank you, Congressman. And we have a couple of awards presentations this evening. May I invite the awardee, Mr. Hanmant Reddy. Can I invite Mr. Hanmant Reddy on the stage? If not, may I invite Karnakar Madhavaram, Satya, Kalyan Anandula Reddy, Satya Narendra to join and take award on his behalf. Can I invite the TAGC and ATA group on the stage? I'd like to invite Karnakar Madhavaram, Kalyan Anandula Reddy, Narendra Chamarla, Satya, to please join and take the award on behalf of Mr. Hanmant Reddy.
Hi everyone, we'd like to invite Syed Hussaini. Syed Hussaini is from Wintrust, a group, and he's been helping lots of businesses in the community. We want to award him with this wonderful services to the community and recognize him as a commercial banker, helping small businesses or big businesses 24/7. He's there for us. Please welcome Syed Hussaini.
Thank you, Congressman Bill Foster, for your presence here this evening. I must add that your presence is truly inspiring. We thank you so much. And at a very short notice, you have come and graced the occasion. We thank you so much. And now I'd like to invite Sanita Agnihotri to carry on with the rest of the program. Now, ladies and gentlemen, last moment changes because we had to accommodate Bill Foster's, he has to leave for another event, so therefore we had to make some changes. But anyway, to carry on, to continue the program, this evening, as many of you know, I will be, as the president of FIA, will relinquish the duties of the presidency effective shortly after Dr. Inderjit Patel gets sworn in as the new president for 2015 and 2016. I'd like to invite Dr. Inderjit Patel to come on the stage. And also I'd like to invite all the members of the executive board and all the trustees on the stage once again. Dr. Inderjit Patel, Sanita Agnihotri, Vandana Walia, Minaj Akhtar, Babu Patel, Sitaram Patel, Sohan Joshi, Ajay Agnihotri. Please join us so that the new president will get sworn in. And I'll request Raja Krishnamurthy, our illustrious community leader who will be making a a stunning announcement very shortly. And I would like to invite Mr. Raja Krishnamurthy to come on the stage so that he could swear the new board in for the 2015 and 2016. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear for Raja.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to officially swear in the new board for the Federation of Indian Associations, and thank you for the honor of doing this. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, and then say your name, swear to uphold the rules, the regulations, the honor, and the integrity of the Constitution of the Federation of Indian Associations. So help me God. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Just hold on. May I request Syed Hussaini to join? He'll be the new executive director. Syed Hussaini, please join us. And of course, thanks that Babu Verma joined us on the stage. Thank you, Babu. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I have the proudest privilege to present to you the new president. Effective immediately, I cease to be the president of FIA, and now let's hear for the new president, Dr. Inderjit Patel, shall we? And now I request Dr. Inderjit Patel to give his remarks and his vision for 2015-2016. Dr. Inderjit Patel. And before he does that, I want him to introduce his new team once again.
The new committee, oncoming committee for 2015 and 16, myself, President-elect Dr. Inderjit Patel. We have the Vandana Walia, the Executive Vice President. We have Minhaj Akhtar, Additional Executive Vice President. Babu Verma, one of the VP. Kanti Patel, one of the VP. Harish Kolsani, the Secretary. Executive Director Syed Hussaini. Treasurer Ajit Singh. Sorin Mehta, Joint Secretary. And Jatin Patel, the Joint Treasurer. Upcoming 2015 and 16 committee, the executive board, we have election, I think December 7th, and they are officially elected, and few friends are honorary selected dignitaries. Thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to acknowledge the two major sponsors this evening, without whose help this event wouldn't have been possible at all. The first, the pride of place is taken by Air India. May I request Nakul Chand and Mrs. Nakul Chand to join us on the stage so that we could give him a token of appreciation, a flower bouquet. May I invite Poonam Krishnan Gupta to join us on the stage so that she can give this flower bouquet. Incidentally, Poonam Krishnan Gupta is the CEO of a large high-tech IT company, and she's listed in the Cranes Chicago, and she's one of the very illustrious leader in the corporate world. I request Poonam Krishna to give the flower bouquet to Mr. Nakul Chand. When I called Mr. Nakul Chand ji, he was very gracious to sponsor this event as one of the major sponsors. And now, ladies and gentlemen, there's one more major sponsor, Mr. Syed Hussaini of Wintrust. Mr. Syed Hussaini has been such a generous, outstanding contributor. When I met him for the first time during the parade time, he was so gracious that his check came up promptly on the very first, and his check was one of the highest check that I received. Thank you so much, Syed Hussaini. And we welcome you to the FIA fraternity. And I'm sure you'll have a wonderful time serving as a leader of the community as well, now that you are serving as a leader of the banking community. Ladies and gentlemen, I now request Sanita to give the flower bouquet to Syed Hussaini, who is one of the major sponsors for Wintrust. Shall we hear for Syed Hussaini? Yeah. And I'd like to, of course, there are several pillars in the community. I'd like to acknowledge Mr. Babu Patel this evening with the flower bouquet. And they are the formidable pillars of the FIA, without whose inspiration it's very difficult for FIA to carry on. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for Mr. Babu Patel while we get a flower bouquet for him to be presented. Thank you, Babu. And may I now request another flower bouquet to give to Mr. Sohan Joshi, who is the president of NFIA. Mr. Sohan Joshi. And I'll request Ajit, the treasurer of the FI, to present to Sohan Joshi, the NFI president and the trustee of the FIA. Let's hear it for Sohan Joshi, shall we?
How can we forget Mr. Kirti Kumar Avori for his effort? He spent most of his life for FIA and serving community. I would like to invite Mr. Indrajit Patel to honor Mr. Kirti Kumar Avori. Present and past president. Last but not the least, I would like to honor my husband Ajay Agnihotri, and I want to give this bouquet to him. If you permit me.
Yellow.
दे दो. एक लाल गुलाब.
निकालो उसको.
दो दे दे.
वापस करो.
क्या बात है.
करो.
May I invite, once again, may I invite Trupti Patel and Rajani Akruti. They are the ones who really created this wonderful cultural program. May I invite them on the stage, because they really truly worked very hard behind the scenes. And it's such an honor for us to be able to put them on the stage, for us to be able to acknowledge them. Ladies and gentlemen, Trupti Patel and Rajani Akruti. Trupti Patel is incidentally, she is the choreographer and director for Paella Dance Academy. And Rajani Akruti is also a dancer, and she organizes a cultural program. Ladies and gentlemen, for Trupti Patel first.
So I believe, am I correct? To have a round of applause if it's a 66th Republic Day. I think we should be excited. Okay. So, with that said, we are doing the cultural portion. And actually today we bring you a couple of dance schools. First is definitely Paella Dance Studio. And we've always been associated with FIA, but we took a little break for a bit, just so many things going on. So you haven't seen us in a while. We have a whole new batch of performers. And we also have another school that will be sharing the stage with us. So even though it's my friend's school, I don't know it that well, so I'm gonna have the kids say a little bit about it. School is Paella Dance Studio, and the other one is?
Kuchipudi Natya Vihara.
And that school is led by?
Shobha Tamana.
And the girls are now going to perform a folk dance. Is that correct, ladies? Yeah. All right, so let's let me off stage and we'll listen to them.
మందో తెలిపే తీరుంది ఏ జబ్బుకి మందో తెలిపే తీరుంది ఇనరండయ్యో కనరండయ్యో ఇనరండయ్యో కనరండయ్యో లల్లెల్లే 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 లల్లెల్లెల్లా లల్లెల్లే లల్లెల్లెల్లా లల్లెల్లే లల్లెల్లెల్లా తలపై పాగా ఉన్నావు పల్లె రైతన్న తలపై పాగా ఉన్నావు పల్లె రైతన్న సింహసీ కట్టున సిరుగిడుతుంటావు సింహసీ కట్టున సిరుగిడుతుంటావు గట్టిగా సాలలో సితులుడుతుంటావు గట్టిగా సాలలో సితులుడుతుంటావు కసంటు బుసంటు కటయునగైనా కసంటు బుసంటు కటయునగైనా తల తిరిగి పడే తల్లి సిరి ఎహిరింది తల తిరిగి పడే తల్లి సిరి ఎహిరింది ఇనరండయ్యో కనరండయ్యో ఇనరండయ్యో కనరండయ్యో లల్లెల్లే 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 లల్లెల్లెల్లా లల్లెల్లే లల్లెల్లెల్లా లల్లెల్లే లల్లెల్లెల్లా ములుకర పట్టుకున్నావు మూల ముసలవ్వ ములుకర పట్టుకున్నావు మూల ముసలవ్వ నటి నడి వయసొచ్చి నడమైన మందుంది నటి నడి వయసొచ్చి నడమైన మందుంది కొండ దేవత పైన నంటూ చెబుతున్నా కొండ దేవత పైన నంటూ చెబుతున్నా కొట్టేయమ్మో కురో కోయోళ్ళ మా మాట కొట్టేయమ్మో కురో కోయోళ్ళ మా మాట ఇనరండయ్యో కనరండయ్యో ఇనరండయ్యో కనరండయ్యో లల్లెల్లే 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 లల్లెల్లెల్లా లల్లెల్లే లల్లెల్లెల్లా లల్లెల్లే లల్లెల్లెల్లా మతాళ్ళ నెప్పులకు వటమైన మందుంది మతాళ్ళ నెప్పులకు వటమైన మందుంది బబులకు తీపులకు పైపూట పసరుంది బబులకు తీపులకు పైపూట పసరుంది కళ్ళల్లో జబ్బులకు కాటికల కళికలున్నాయి కళ్ళల్లో జబ్బులకు కాటికల కళికలున్నాయి నమ్మి సిడ్డ నరుడు మయర్కలు లేడు నమ్మి సిడ్డ నరుడు మయర్కలు లేడు ఇనరండయ్యో కనరండయ్యో ఇనరండయ్యో కనరండయ్యో లల్లెల్లే 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 లల్లెల్లెల్లా లల్లెల్లే లల్లెల్లెల్లా లల్లెల్లే లల్లెల్లెల్లా లల్లెల్లే లల్లెల్లెల్లా లల్లెల్లే లల్లెల్లెల్లా లల్లెల్లే లల్లెల్లెల్లా లల్లెల్లే లల్లెల్లెల్లా.
While we celebrating the creation of our nation legal doctrine and marvel in the recent success of Federation of Indian Association, Chicago, it would be a travesty if we didn't take a moment to remember an integral member of this community, of this organization, late Naren Bhai Patel. A tribute, a precious one from us has gone. A place is vacant in our hearts, which no one else can fill. We will always have a memories of the one we love so dear. I request you all to have a silent movement. Please stand up to give a tribute to Narenji Patel for 30 seconds. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Like I said, no one can fill this gap. We always remember him. At the same time, who is along with us, especially our community backbone, Mr. Naranjan Shah. He's not here today because his health problems. We all pray and hope that he stay fit and fine in future events. Now, moving forward, I want to thank Dr. Harjinder Khaira for kind support to this organization and any event in a community. Thank you so much. At the same time, Peterson Body Shop and Vasant Charles from UCCA. And special thanks to Tahora Sweets. As we all know, every table have Tahora Sweets. Every banquet, Delhi Plaza, and all the events, he always give out the sweets with no charge as a donation. And it's our duty to remember these people for giving back the business. Thank you so much. One of the chairperson, Robert Pickett, it's a Democratic DuPage County. He's here. Want to thank him with us at this auspicious day. And I want to thank you so much. I want to ask Deputy to continue.
Hi. So yes, we have Autumn Fall Mix dance, which is next. And it's kind of ironic that we took a moment to honor Narendra Uncle. I had actually prepared this for the Diwali program at the temple, but we had decided to take another show that day. So in his honor, we'll see this Autumn Fall Mix. What it is, it's a combination of all of India's festivals. We start off with the Batukamba festival in the South India. We travel to up north and we do the Durga Puja celebration. And then we end up in Gujarat and end with some Garba moves. So that's what you'll see.
Sandamama.
చిన్న అడవిలోన మోరాచ గుమ్మడి నాకు చిన్న
All right, so that was our little visit to India on the auspicious Republic Day. And next we have actually, it is by some of our younger members of the studio. It is called the Flag Tribute. So the gentlemen are doing somewhat of a flag dance. So much as you see in ROTC, Army festivals, things of that nature. Now the boys are little, so if the flag somehow happens to touch the ground, they're very concerned. They're like, Dripti auntie, we've been trying, it keeps falling to the ground, what do we do? So please understand that they're not trying to disrespect, but rather honor our motherland.
मारे या कोई मारे ना यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं खुद पे हमें नाज है जाने ना हमको ये जमाना चाहो तो हमको आसमाना यारबाज हम जानसाज हम इश्कबाज दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूटते के तार से इंडिया वाले हर जीत जीत ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा परवाह नहीं जो भी कहता है कहने के लिए भला या बुरा जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी दिल से यार जो ले पुकार तो जान साथ कर डाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूटते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले जीत ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले उंगली पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले
A wonderful performance. Thank you so much, kids. Just want to remind you guys, January 23rd is the Subhash Chandra Bose birthday. He was a wonderful warrior and he was a freedom fighter. Today his 118th birthday. Having said that, just want to recognize few people who cannot be with us. They're on the trip to India. And one of the trustee, Mr. Iftikhar Sharif, is not here with us. And he's also a big supporter as a national bank card. I think his brother is presenting, Mr. Junior Sharif. Thank you so much. And Mr. Kalla is here. Kalla is doing a Adnan Sami event in March. I think March 27, All State Arena. It's going to be a great event, and he's one of the biggest supporter. He's here. I'll let him speak few words on his event for March 27. Mr. Kalwa, you want to say a few words?
Thank you for this FIA. This is the real FIA, and they always support us, and looking for another support from you guys. March 27th, Adnan Sami, May 9th, Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, in your own city. Be there. Thank you. Thank you, FIA.
We want to thank you to the United Cricket Association. He's here. Join us. They're wonderful. They're doing Adil Azim is here, and he's doing wonderful tournament. All the Indian, Sri Lankan, Bangladeshi and Pakistani team, they play championships in Warren Park in Chicagoland area, and he wants to grow in suburban area also. At the same time, can't forget, Aam Aadmi people are here to support FIA for this event. Thank you so much. And many more with us. I can't remember names, but you have in our hearts. Especially Hanmi Bank. Mr. Asif is here, he's always supported FIA. Mr. Asif, please stand up. Please give a round of applause to Mr. Asif. Thank you so much. Sher Rajput is also here. He's been an old timer with FIA. Always support to FIA. Thank you so much, Sher Rajput ji. We have other dignitaries from the Indian American Association also. One of the president are here, and many more. Thank you so much. Tipti, I want to invite one of the key person who's one of the cultural events that we just started in Chicago in August, and it was a very successful event on Diwani Street. Now we're growing up, we're moving back to Warren Park. It's going to be capacity for 10,000 people, just a sitting area, and it's going to be a wonderful event, and we're hoping businesses like Tahura Sweets and everybody will have their stall to contribute, and at the same time they can have some business also. We'll have wonderful time next Independence Day. I want to invite Ajit Singh. Ajit Singh is the one who's doing all these arrangements for these cultural events. Please give a big round of applause to Ajit Singh. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to thank few people here, Usha Kumaria from Niles Township, Sajan Kuriakosi, who is going to be, he's elderman from 50 ward, like he is going to fight in election. Now I would like to call on the stage our coming president, Dr. Inderjeet Patel. He want to say some few words about his coming leadership. So please give a big round of applause to Dr. Inderjeet Patel. Thank you.
First of all, I will say welcome you all, and thanks for your support to FIA. I am proud to be a first member of the FIA, like team members, and I was the supporter of FIAs and all the events of FIA, and now I have been elected president of coming year 2015 and 16 as I elected president of FIA. I think that's make me proud, but I am proud more with FIAs, the platform that give you opportunity to be the team of FIA and again lead the FIA. I feel very fortunate about these elections and my positions. FIA have 33 years since he got born, and a lot of activity going on through the FIA for last 33 years. Lots of prominent leaders, community leaders, and very good guidance from the senior trustees and the prominent leaders of our community have blessed and have a role of FIA leadership. And again, I thank you all, the old supporters and trustees of FIAs. The FIA had the mission. FIA is not only the title or the one name, it is a mission. I want to add something more to the mission-oriented things. As our Prime Minister Narendra Modi had told again and again, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. I will tell Sabka Saath, Sabka Kaam and Sabki Seva as a new mission of FIA. Mission unity, mission friendship, come together, stay together, and store our strength as unity and united communities with our diversities. Again, I will appeal all these FIA organizations to get more involvement with the FIA activities and support day and night, 24/7. FIA again is stage for the community work and charity work. Not only cultural activities, but I think it's a platform to recognize the work done by our communities, associations, individual levels. We have proved ourselves for last 33 years, and we continue the legacy of FIA Friendship and Unities for coming years. I want to add one more activities. I mean, you know, FIA does parades, this 26 January events. I want to add, like, to celebrate 4th of July, because it's Americans' Independence Day, and I'm sure that we are now Indian and Americans, and I am proud to be citizens of America. I like to celebrate the 4th of July with all the communities, local Indians and Americans, as a picnic, maybe kite flying events, something exciting that all young and old people can enjoy with us. Big Mela plan with nice locations. We have TV dignitaries and a lot of friends. It will be one of the exciting events in the next terms, and I hope continue to get every year the same events. As a doctor, I always worried about the families and health, so I will make sure there is 1 or 2 FIA health fair for our communities. Could be local, American, and Indo-Americans. Again, FIA can join and spread the words of, like, Swachh Bharat. We can work on, I don't say Swachh America, but I think we can work from our house. Swachh Bharat, Bharat, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, a lot of programs we can help back home communities and India's. Also, same thing we can do, our contribution to our land, America. I want to appeal all the association to strengthen the FIA at individual level and organization level. Come together, work together, and stay together. And again, that will complete the mission of FIA. Again, I will say, don't forget that we are in land of America, who are given the opportunity to us. So we are proud Americans. Be proud of being Americans, and also be good citizens and law-abiding citizens of America. Again, I appeal to all the associations. We should work and help the local associations, like local veteran associations. There are so many veterans, military associations. We should help and support and extend our hand to them. Again, it's a good opportunity for us to recognize the trip of our President Obama going to India with the message of friendship, message of developments. Again, I'm sure they will push some new mission of educations, trust between the two countries, and a lot of good things can be done. Modi says, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Obama says, yes, we can. So all of we can say is, we can do the mission accomplishment for Indo-American friendship for our coming years together. I will say, long live America, long live India, and long live Indo-American friendship. Again, I beg your support for the FIA, for coming all the events and years to come. Please, please strengthen FIA Chicago. Without the organization support, it's only label of FIA. I need active platform for all the association, recognize them, extend their hands, respect each other, support all the activities of all individual associations, but stay together under the hood of FIA. I think this is more than what I supposed to talk. Anyway, I'm proud to be team of FIA and beg your support for FIA. Long live America, long live India, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. President. He's a doctor by profession, but he's always with us, even though he has patients. He always tries to give some time to the community in a cultural event or events like Independence Day Parade or Republic Day. Just want to announce someone lost the Honda key. If you can come and collect with the one of our trustee and a great CPA from Chicagoland area,
Mr. Ajay Agnihotri will hold this. At the same time, I want to recognize Murthy Kopaka. He's the president of Chicago Telugu Association. Please stand up. Please give a big round of applause. Thank you so much. And also, Ashish Sen, the president of IADIAO. Please stand up. Please give a big applause a hand. Thank you so much. And I want to introduce one of the a great supporter for the community, and he's a good friend with our trustee, Mr. Ajay Agnihotri, Amrit Patel of First Bank Card, and he's also owner of Jamba Juice. Thank you so much, Amrit Bhai, for your kind support, and he's going to be wonderful, a biggest sponsor on the parade. The parade is going to be August 15, as we know, Saturday in 2015. Thank you so much. Mr. Ajay Agnihotri wants to present a flower bouquet to Mr. Amrit Patel. Please come up on the stage. Ajay bhai, please. I think he's overwhelmed.
Next we have Titli Dance from Chennai Express. So we're going to take a little visit to the south.
हमने जानी, तेरे सुर का साज बनके होते क्या है रागदारी हम नहीं जानी।
जो दिल को भा रही है वो तेरी शायरी है या कोई शायराना है फितूर। बन के तितली दिल उड़ा उड़ा है कहीं दूर। चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा है कहीं दूर। हाथ से ये सुने से जैसे चुने अंधेरों को कोई नूर। बन के तितली दिल उड़ा है कहीं दूर।
सिर्फ कह जाओ या आज सुना दे लिख दूं, तेरी तारीफों में चश्म बदलूं।
Ladies and gentlemen, while you're having your dinner, I would like to acknowledge one special person who has really put his right foot forward on this event. He is none other than the banquet chairman, Dr. Ram Gajjala. I'd like to invite Shirley Kalvakota, Shaina Charles, and Chandri Dovuri to come and give the flower bouquet to Dr. Ram Gajjala. Dr. Ram Gajjala, as many of you know, has been served as the IIDO president. He's an outstanding leader in the community. He's always helpful whenever there's a need. He stepped in. He's actually both serves as a grassroots community leader at the same time at the corporate level. And as Sanita Agnihotri rightly pointed out, that he's truly a king at his heart when it comes to generosity in giving away his resources to the community. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to request all three of you to present the bouquet to Ram Gajjala. I'd like a quick word from Dr. Ram Gajjala.
Thank you, Mr. Kirti, your sweet words. Thank you so much. FIA, I feel it is my family. So this has been, we are serving FIA community almost 22 years. It's really our pleasure working in the Indian community through FIA. And we have, any kind of, organizations, they have, good and bad. But this is the organization, anytime they help, and people are with this community, with this organization since a long time. Thank you so much for coming here and celebrating India Republic Day celebrations. So, good night.
Thanks, Dr. Ram Gajjala. And now, Trupti Patel with another dance presentation.
Joshi, FIA trustee and NFIA president is with us. I would like to invite him on the stage to say a few words. Mr. Sohan Joshi.
Thank you. I was giving the 30 seconds to speak some announcement. This announcement for all the community people, all the people who have done something for community. NFIA is giving a community award. We need a nomination, those who have done something for community. Those who want to give a nomination, please contact me before 30th January. We are going to give an award, achievement award by NFIA. Second message, those who did not renew their membership for NFIA, please renew it before January 30th. And I especially request to FIA Chicago, Indrajit Patel, to renew his membership. And my blessing
and congratulations to all the new board. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Joshi. Now again back to culture program.
Hi, so next we have a Bollywood film song, Do Dari Talwar, from Mere Brother Ki Dulhan. You'll see some kind of balancing tricks, maybe some gymnastics. Who knows what this item holds? Enjoy.
नैन कटारी ऐसी मारी तन मन सुलगा तड़पन भारी इश्क लहू का जब दिल से उतरे धीरे धीरे चढ़े खुमारी खाली जाए ना तेरा वार खाली जाए ना तेरा वार नैरों से करती है शिकार तू दो धारी तलवार यार तू दो धारी तलवार यार काटे तो कर दे रंगदार तू दो धारी तलवार यार तू दो धारी तलवार यार तू तो थोड़ी मीठी थोड़ी सी है जहरीर जैसे गर्मी की हो तपती सी दोपहरी रे होने से तू करे दिल तो हल्ला रे हो तेरी तारीफ करता मुहल्ला रे जालिम है तेरा हर सिंगार नैनों से करती है शिकार तू दो धारी तलवार यार तू दो धारी तलवार यार बार बार तेरा नक्श नक्श हो रक्स रक्स में जलवा तू दिखा जाए ओ बार बार तेरा नक्श नक्श हो रक्स रक्स में जलवा तू दिखा जाए ओ आजा आजा मोहब्बत की मिसरी दिला ओ दे दे चाहत का तू सिला
झूठा खत्म तो लाखों गिरा दूं सारे अर्श वाले धरती पे ला दूं मैं हूँ हुस्न मुझसे बच के ही रहना मैं ही मुकद्दर बना दूं बेटा
करना
Hope you all are enjoying your dinner. Tonight we are performing a song called Krishna Govinda fusion dance performance. The music is by a Brazilian group called Yoga Rave, and the dance was choreographed by Jyoti Vangara. Hope you enjoy it.
Krishna Govinda, Govinda Govinda, Krishna Govinda, Govinda Shama Radha Krishna, Govinda Shama Radha Krishna, Govinda Govinda Paramananda Ananda, Govinda Govinda Paramananda Ananda Krishna, Ananda Krishna, Krishna, Ananda Krishna. Krishna Govinda, Govinda Govinda, Krishna Govinda, Govinda Shama Krishna, Govinda Shama Krishna, Govinda Govinda Paramananda Ananda, Govinda Govinda Paramananda Ananda Ganeshama, Ananda Krishna, Ganeshama, Ananda Krishna.
So next we have a Bhangra number, and it is actually it's from Yama Pagla Divana, the latest one. It's Sut Tera Lal Rang.
Chand lale बच के रही ना कोई करे किडनैप नचने तो तेरे मुंड कर दे क्लैप बच के रही ना कोई करे किडनैप तेरा सोना रूप कवारा पीस है डायमंड सूट तेरा लाल रंग दा है परन तेरा सोनू डंग दा ओ मिलता हजार घर गे ओ मुंडा तेरा दिल मंगदा सूट तेरा लाल रंग दा परन तेरा सोनू डंग दा ओ मिलता हजार घर गे ओ मुंडा तेरा दिल मंगदा नचने पे मेरे मुंडे कर दे क्लैप गाँव में जो बीच में ये करते हैं रैप मेरा सोना रूप कवारा पीस है डायमंड दा सूट मेरा लाल रंग दा पराना मेरा जावे डंग दा ओ मिलता हजार करके मुंडा मेरा दिल मंगदा ओ सूट मेरा लाल रंग दा पराना मेरा जावे डंग दा ओ मिलता हजार करके ओ मुंडा मेरा दिल मंगदा मेरे यार नजर लग जाए होने वाले प्यार नजर लग जाए रब्बा मेरे यार नजर लग जाए हाथों में डांस करे कंगना सजना देसी रोमांस करे सजना ओ तेरा गजला जो देख दिल मचला दिखने वाली है मैं तेरा ये रूप को खुलाई गाड़ी है सूट तेरा लाल रंग दा तेरा सामू डंग दा ओ मिलता हजार करके ओ मुंडा तेरा दिल मंगदा सूट तेरा लाल रंग दा तेरा सामू डंग दा ओ मिलता हजार करके ओ मुंडा तेरा दिल मंगदा मेरा तू हाथ पकड़ नच ले ओ रख ले दिल मेरा आज अभी रख ले हमें तो मर गई जादू कैसा कर गई तेरी मनमानिया मैंने अखियां ये कुछ कहीं रखिया मेरे दिल जानिया
You're enjoying your dinner. Our next item is actually, it is called Desi Hip Hop. So we actually have incorporated Bhangra in there, a little bit of Bollywood, and some hip hop. Actually, some uprising stars, Sabi Nawab, Ace Boogie, Rahul Singh, and Bloodline Records. So we have a little bit of India and America all meshed into one to celebrate Republic Day.
Yo, man, what's up? Where we at? Man, I'm thinking, alright, let's do it. Where we at? You know where we at? Yeah, we right here. Where we at? You know where we at? Yeah, we right here. Where we at? You know where we at? Yeah, we right here. Where we at? You know where we at? Yeah, we right here. Where we at? You know where we at? Yeah, we right here. Where we at? You know where we at? Yeah, we right here. Hands up now. DJ now. Feel good now. Everybody in the place, get ready. Let's go. दी सीने साडे मार दी पौना पार तेरा खिड़ खिड़ हंसना पौना पार तेरा खिड़ baby when God made you gold he made me my trophy तेरा रब ने बनाई लगदी टोपरां दे दिल नूं तू मेरे ठगदी आजा सुना वो प्रेम कहानी तू है मेरी दिल भर जाने प्यार किया था तुझसे मैंने लेकिन तूने बात न मानी आजा सुना वो प्रेम कहानी तू है मेरी दिल भर जाने प्यार किया था तुझसे मैंने लेकिन तूने बात न मानी अब बात न मानी तेरी ये जवानी करती है दीवानी तू एक बारी आजा तू बन मेरी रानी तुझे लेके मैं जाऊं तुझे दुनिया घुमाऊं तुझे अपना बनाऊं तुझे शॉपिंग कराऊं तुझे गुची लुई प्राडा दिलाऊं सपनों की रानी तेरे सपनों का राजा छड़ दुनिया नु चल मेरे नाल आजा आजा सुना वो प्रेम कहानी तू है मेरी दिल भर जाने प्यार किया था तुझसे मैंने लेकिन तूने बात न मानी आजा सुना वो प्रेम कहानी तू है मेरी दिल भर जाने प्यार किया था तुझसे मैंने लेकिन तूने बात न मानी See attention, I'm not second hand forgot to mention forgot to mention आजा कुड़िया जावे तेरा आए नी कसूरे सारा उच्ची हट्टी ही यादा दिल पे सिलता जावे तेरा आए नी कसूरे सारा उच्ची हट्टी ही यादा just for me it's your boy उच्ची हट्टी ही यादा पहली बात तो ये जो तू टिकटॉक चलती है माना ये सारी तेरी हाई हील्स की गलती है रुक तो जा तू है कौन ये तो बता तू है कौन कहाँ से आई है कहाँ को जाएगी पागल लड़की मुझे मरवाएगी
I'm back here again because I want to introduce our next song and performance. It is a fusion song choreographed by Miss Reena Thakur here. And it is essentially a song that shows Radha, who is Krishna's beloved, in two different variations. One is the mythical Radha, and the second one is the modern day Radha. Hope you enjoy both performances.
राधा कृष्ण हमारे भारत में हर प्रेमी को श्री कृष्ण और प्रेमिका को राधा जी के रूप में देखा जाता है
जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है। जो है अलबेला मद नैनो वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है। प्यार में खोही, प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोही, प्यार में डूबी प्यार में खोही, प्यार की धुन में जागी न सोही। दुनिया से है वो अनजानी, सब कहते हैं प्रेम दीवानी, किसना से मिलती है भूल के हर बंधन, हो किसना की माला की जपती है वो जोगन। संभालो कोई इसे बता दो कि मिलेगा न कोई सवरिया। हो राधा तेरी चुनरी, हो राधा तेरा छल्ला, हो राधा तेरी नटखट नजरिया, हो राधा तेरा झुमका, हो राधा तेरा ठुमका, हो पीछे पीछे सारी नगरिया।
खूबसूरत नृत्य के बाद चलिए थोड़ा माहौल बदलते हैं और गायन की तरफ चलते हैं। नृत्य से गायन की तरफ हमारे बीच मिस्टर जयंत मुखर्जी, ही इज फ्रॉम बंगाल। जयंत जी केवल सिंगर ही नहीं हैं बल्कि एक्टर भी हैं और उन्होंने बहुत सारी टीवी सीरियल्स और बंगाली मूवीज की है। Mr. Jayant Mukherjee. He's based in Vernon Hills, but he's from India, Bengal. Mr. Jayant Mukherjee.
So FIA members and everybody, and also Trupti Patil for giving me opportunity to sing here. And happy Republic Day to everybody. And we have a auspicious day today, Netaji Subhash Chandra's birthday also. So please enjoy.
Pasumarthy, President of UCCA. I want to thank him for his continuous support. Mr. Raju Pasumarthy. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll be singing some Bollywood numbers, starting with a patriotic song.
सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है, भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे बड़ा गुलिस्तान हमारा है। उड़ाए नहीं अपना चमन, टूटे नहीं अपना वतन, भूलना न कर कोई, बर्बाद न कर दे कोई, मंदिर यहाँ मस्जिद यहाँ, हिंदू यहाँ मुस्लिम यहाँ, मिलते रहे हम प्यार से जहाँ। हिंदुस्तान नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है, हिंदुस्तान नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है, जन्मभूमि है हमारी शान शिकवे, सभी तो भाई भाई प्यार से हिंदुस्तान नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। आसाम से गुजरात तक, बंगाल से महाराष्ट्र तक, जाति कई उन्नत है, भाषा कई एक सूर्य है, कश्मीर से मद्रास तक, कहते सभी हम एक है, आवाज तो हम एक है, जागो।
Not see, but please, all this FIA team, can you please come on a stage? I would like to have a one big group picture. Please, everybody from FIA. Kirti ji, please come over here, and all this, the team from the UCCI, everybody please come. I don't have to call everybody, please come. Everybody, let's go.
बहुत जल्दी